Pag-uwi po ba ni Pangulo, meron siyang mga bibit-bitin na mga distressed workers o yung mga pinakawalan na?
Wala sa ngayon dahil, pero may instructions siya na i-repatriate. So, i-repatriate namin. Pero dadaan sa proseso. Ngayon, 6 yung i-repatriate namin. Pero diretso sa Pilipinas. Kasi yung passport nila, kailangan bibigay namin yung tinatawag na travel document. Yun po ay hindi pwede sa ibang bansa. Yun ay pang diretso sa Pilipinas. Naayos po namin na hindi na sila kakasuhan ng violation ng immigration. Pinakiusapan namin na kami nang babahala. Kasi inako na namin na sinigurado namin na hindi na magtatrabaho at i-repatriate na. So yung iba, meron na kami na sa shelter. Meron kaming shelter eh. Wala naman, so we're taking care of them. And the Russian authorities know that they won't be working. They're taking our word for it na hindi run away at maghahanap ng trabaho.
Just a follow-up to the 17 arrested and
detained.
So how are they now, sir?
We were able to get some concessions kasi some of them really want to continue working. They've already spent quite a bit. We were able to get a number of them to be allowed to stay. Then a number of them, the visas were shortened. And then 3 are for deportation. Pero without penalties. Walang